This is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I'm back at my work truck again for a little bit more explanation. The battery runs the vehicle. Only thing an alternator does, it charges the battery. That's all that actually does, charges the battery. This actually physically runs the battery. If you have a weak battery on the modern cars, it will start bucking. Here's your computer, it will start flashing, lights will start coming on and off, horns start going off, especially on Chryslers because they're low on power. These vehicles demand a lot of power. So if your battery is garbage, you're going to make your alternator overwork, and sometimes it will destroy the alternator. So get your battery tested at Advanced or AutoZone, or get tested yourself. If it says replace, replace it. Do not try to put acid and all the other stuff in there. Replace the battery if it's saying to replace. If your battery is more than 3 years old, automatically consider what is the warranty and get rid of the battery before it gets cold. Everybody does what they do differently, but our company does long-term repairs. So when I had my alternator died, I was running off the battery. Most batteries, not all batteries, but batteries have a reserve time. On this one, it does not say. Sometimes it's 90 minutes or 110 minutes. That means you're running off directly off the battery and you are discharging the battery. It doesn't matter how many times you recharge it or whatever. It won't be 100%. It is best, and our advice, the word is advice, you replace an alternator, you replace the battery. Do it right the first time. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.